Once you've finished building your survey and you're happy with the end result, the next phase is the collect phase. In the collect phase of your safety climate tool process, it's the part where we start sending out our survey that we've planned and built. The first thing to do is set a schedule for when your survey would start and when it will finish. So, if we click the Change Schedule button, we can have a start interviewing date. So, for example, if we said we were going to start this on the 11th of April, but keep it open until the 11th of May, giving us a nice month's window for which people can respond, we would do this in the scheduling area. Once we're happy with our schedule, we click Save. Our survey will now start automatically on the 11th of April and will close automatically on the 11th of May. Once we're happy with the times, we can get a preview by launching the Preview button. Here it just says that you can see a preview of your survey and how it will look to people filling it in. So as you can see here, for example, we have the logo in the top right hand corner, the name of the organisation, as well as the background and what happens next, and instructions for use. Staff would then go through the survey, clicking the boxes, filling out the survey at their own pace. If we just click through to the end, once staff have finished filling in the questions, these questions aren't for response, they would just hit the Submit button, at which point they would see the "Thank you for completing this survey," or if you'd use the survey link in terms of directing them to a different page, they would be directed to a page of your choice. Going back to the Collect tab, you can see here you can download a QR code, so this is specific to this survey. So you can download this and put it on posters, which you might have around the organisation, highlighting that the survey is now live. It is the interviewing URL that you will send out to staff who are filling it in online. This URL you can actually edit and tailor, so you might want to change it from what it says here is very basic to maybe something more meaningful, such as Safety Climate Tool 2019. Also within this area, you get the paper version of the survey. If you click this link, the paper version will download. This is the paper version that you would hand out to staff who are filling it in offline. You need to be aware that you will need to upload this into the system manually. Guidance on how to do this can be found in the help guide. Once you're happy with the survey, you can either start the interviewing now by clicking the play button, or you can leave it to the scheduling assistant, which will automatically start it on the 11th of April. Just to show you what the system will do, we'll start the survey now. So it will just remind us that we want to start it immediately as opposed to the scheduled time that we'd just put on. So it now tells us the interviewing is in progress, it tells us when it started, including the time and the date. If we need to make edits once the survey is live, we can pause the survey. If we pause the survey, anyone who clicks that survey link will get a message saying the survey is currently unavailable, please try again later. If we want to stop the survey manually at any time, we'd hit the Stop Interviewing button. This would then close the survey. Anyone who clicks that link subsequently after this would see the survey is now closed. Again, if you are using the scheduling assistant, you do not need to worry about this, as the scheduling assistant will start and end your survey at the times that you've selected. Also, within the collect phase, you're able to upload paper responses. Detailed guidance is within the help file, which you can access on the right hand side under Survey Help, and it's simply the case of uploading the data into the system, clicking the Responses tab, Upload, finding the file and uploading this data.